Ever wondered about the hidden gems of Europe, those charming and less trodden paths that veer off from the tourist trail? Imagine a world where the echoes of history whisper in your ears, where the cobblestone streets beneath your feet have tales to tell, where the air is imbued with an enchanting blend of cultures. This is not a fairy tale. This is the allure of Europe's hidden gems, those lesser-known destinations that offer a more authentic, intimate experience. Let's embark on an ethereal journey to Český Krumlov, a fairy tale town nestled in the heart of the Czech Republic. Here, time stands still. As you meander through the winding alleys, you'll find yourself immersed in a medieval world, complete with a towering castle and quaint houses, all set against the backdrop of the serene Vltava River. Or how about the serene Lake Bled in Slovenia, a place that seems to have leaped out of a postcard? Enveloped in tranquility, this emerald green lake houses a tiny island in its heart, crowned with a centuries-old church. The ringing of the church bell echoes across the lake, a melody that has been playing out for centuries. These are just a few examples. Europe is brimming with such hidden gems, each with its own unique character and charm. From the vibrant tulip fields of the Netherlands, off the typical tourist path, to the lesser-known vineyards of Portugal that produce some of the finest wines in the world, there's so much to be explored. These destinations might not make the cover of glossy travel magazines, but they offer something far more valuable: a chance to experience a Europe that is untouched and unspoiled, a Europe that is steeped in history and culture, a Europe that is waiting to be unearthed. So, pack your bags and let your wanderlust guide you. For it is in wandering off the beaten path that we truly discover the world and ourselves. Exploring these hidden gems, you will unearth an entirely new side of Europe, far from the madding crowd. Did you know that Europe's rich tapestry of cultures is best experienced through its diverse and delectable cuisines? Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly baked croissants wafting through the narrow, cobbled streets of a quaint French town. These flaky pastries, golden and crisp on the outside, soft and buttery on the inside, are the epitome of French patisserie culture. They represent centuries of tradition, a testament to the country's love for good food and the art of baking. France's patisseries are not just food shops, they are hubs of social interaction, where locals gather to catch up over a cup of coffee and a delectable pastry. Now let's jet off to sunny Spain, where the culture of sharing food is deeply ingrained in society. Tapas, small dishes served with drinks at bars, are an essential part of Spanish culinary tradition. From juicy olives, crispy calamari, to the famous tortilla española, each tapa tells a story of regional flavors and local produce. It's more than just food. It's a social experience, a celebration of life's simple pleasures. Next, we find ourselves in Italy, a country where food is synonymous with love, comfort, and family. Picture yourself seated at a rustic wooden table, a steaming bowl of pasta in front of you. The pasta, cooked to al dente perfection, is tossed in a rich tomato-based sauce, sprinkled generously with Parmesan cheese. This isn't just a meal, it's a testament to Italy's love for simple, fresh ingredients, and the comfort found in family meals. From the hearty sausages of Germany, the creamy cheeses of the Netherlands, to the succulent seafood of Greece, each region of Europe has its own unique culinary identity. These dishes, steeped in history and tradition, offer a window into the soul of each culture. They reveal stories of the past, traditions passed down through generations, and a shared love for good food. Indeed, a culinary journey through Europe is a feast for the senses. With every bite, you're not just tasting food, you're experiencing a piece of Europe's rich, cultural tapestry. Ever experienced the vibrant atmosphere of Europe's festivals and celebrations? Imagine being part of a sea of people, all gathered to partake in an annual tradition that's been passed down for generations. One such tradition is Spain's La Tomatina, a festival that transforms the streets of Buñol into a crimson sea of tomato pulp. It's not just about the fun and games, though. La Tomatina is a testament to the Spanish spirit of camaraderie, joy, and a little bit of chaos. Now let's head north to Germany, where the annual Oktoberfest quenches the thirst of millions with its rich brews. More than just a beer festival, Oktoberfest is a celebration of Bavarian culture, from the traditional lederhosen and dirndls worn by attendees to the hearty pretzels and sausages that complement the beer. It's a gathering that echoes with laughter, music, and the clinking of beer steins, painting a vivid picture of Germany's convivial spirit. Finally, let's drift towards Italy, where the Carnival of Venice transforms the city into a masquerade. The streets fill with a kaleidoscope of masked figures, each costume more extravagant than the last. It's a tradition that dates back centuries, a timeless celebration of creativity, mystery, and Italian artistry. Each of these celebrations is unique, yet they all share a common thread. They're a testament to Europe's vibrant cultural diversity, where every festival and celebration is a doorway into the traditions, history, and spirit of its people. They're a chance to immerse oneself in the rhythms of life that pulse through the continent, a journey of discovery that transcends the boundaries of language and geography. These festivals and celebrations are more than just events. They're an embodiment of Europe's rich tapestry of cultures, a celebration of unity and diversity. They serve as a reminder that despite our differences, we all share the capacity for joy, creativity, and connection. So whether you're tossing tomatoes in Spain, raising a beer stein in Germany, or donning a mask in Venice, you're not just participating in a festival. You're stepping into a living, breathing tapestry of Europe's cultural diversity. Experiencing these celebrations is like stepping into a living, breathing tapestry of Europe's cultural diversity. Have you ever marveled at Europe's UNESCO World Heritage Sites, each a testament to the continent's rich history and culture? These sites are not just relics of the past. They are vibrant reminders of the human spirit's relentless pursuit of beauty, knowledge, and identity. Let's embark on a journey to explore just a few of these awe-inspiring sites. First stop, the historic city of Bath in England. Bath is not just a city, but a time capsule, preserving the grandeur of the Roman Empire and the elegance of Georgian England. The city's crowning glory, the Roman baths, were constructed around 70 AD over hot springs, a testament to the advanced engineering skills of the Romans. Meanwhile, the Royal Crescent, an architectural marvel of the Georgian era, stands as a symbol of refined elegance. Next, we travel to the heart of ancient civilization, Greece. Perched high above the city of Athens, the Acropolis is a symphony of marble and mythology. It's not just a monument, it's a testament to the intellectual and artistic achievements of the Golden Age of Athens. The Parthenon, the centerpiece of the Acropolis, is an enduring symbol of ancient Greece, democracy, and Western civilization. Our final destination is the smallest independent state in the world, Vatican City. This city-state is the spiritual and administrative headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. It's home to St. Peter's Basilica, the world's largest church, and the Sistine Chapel, adorned with Michelangelo's iconic ceiling. Vatican City is not just a place of worship, it's a living, breathing museum, showcasing centuries of religious art and architecture. From the Roman baths of England to the marble masterpieces of Greece, from the spiritual heart of the Catholic Church to countless other sites, Europe's UNESCO World Heritage Sites tell the story of a continent and its people. They are more than just places to visit, they are places to experience, to understand, and to cherish. Europe's UNESCO sites are portals to the past, offering fascinating insights into human history and civilization. These are stories etched in stone, painted on walls, and woven into the very fabric of Europe's diverse cultures. So, the next time you're planning a trip to Europe, make sure to add these treasures to your itinerary. Ever delved into Europe's rich artistic heritage, a treasure trove of centuries-old masterpieces and contemporary creations? Europe, the cradle of Western civilization, is home to an array of art that has shaped and continues to influence the world. This is a journey through time and space, revealing how art is not merely a reflection of culture, but an essential part of the very fabric of European society. We begin at the heart of France, in the iconic Louvre Museum of Paris, housing an astounding collection of over 35,000 works, including the enigmatic smile of Da Vinci's Mona Lisa and the classical beauty of Venus de Milo. Here, every corner whispers tales of artistic prowess and intellectual curiosity, a testament to the timeless allure of European art. Moving north, we find ourselves amidst the vibrant street art scene of Berlin. This city, once divided, now stands united under a kaleidoscope of colors and creativity. The remnants of the Berlin Wall are now a canvas for artists, transforming a symbol of division into a beacon of hope and freedom. The street art of Berlin is a powerful testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the transformative power of art. As we journey south, the modernist wonders of Barcelona beckon. The cityscape is a living, breathing work of art, adorned with the whimsical creations of Antoni Gaudí. his masterpiece, the Sagrada Familia, is a testament to the limitless bounds of human imagination, a fusion of Gothic and curvilinear Art Nouveau forms that continues to evolve even today. The influence of European art is far-reaching, shaping global aesthetics and sparking new movements. From the Renaissance that redefined beauty to the Impressionism that captured fleeting moments, every artistic revolution finds its roots in the heart of Europe. Our journey ends, but the story of Europe's art is far from over. It continues to evolve, reflecting the changing times, mirroring societal shifts, and inspiring millions around the globe. From the brushstrokes of Van Gogh to the street art of Banksy, Europe's artistic heritage is as diverse as it is captivating. So, let us continue to explore, appreciate, and be inspired by Europe's rich artistic tapestry.